Experience the Cybertruck's full self-driving in brutal winter snow. With iced windows blocking the driver's view, FSD navigates ruts, tracks hidden cars through occlusions, postures aggressively to claim lanes, stays cautious around police, spots bizarre oversized loads like giant Ferris wheels, reacts lightning fast to sudden brakes, evades reckless cut-ins, and masters flashing reds flawlessly. This real-world test shows autonomous tech outperforming humans in low visibility, building trust for safer roads ahead. Essential viewing for anyone doubting self-driving's winter prowess. The main theme is showing how capable FSD has become, in one of the historically most difficult environments, for vision-only autonomous driving, snow-covered roads with very poor visibility. This is presented as strong real-world evidence that current FSD handles snow, low visibility dramatically better than earlier versions.